Hi, today we are looking at the top 5 best table saw for beginners in 2022. I have made this list based on rigidness, blades, quality, size, prices and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. DeWalt DWE7491 RS Jobsite Table Saw. The built-in rack and pinion fence system, which acts as a guide for boards that runs parallel to the blade, adjusts by hand and is both easy to use and very accurate. With a 10-inch blade and 32.5-inch rip capacity, the rack and pinion fence rails extend smoothly and sturdily for oversized boards, and 15-amp motor capable of up to 4,800 RPM. The DWE7491 RS is more than prepared to effectively deliver 3 1/8-inch deep cuts to thick slabs of wood. It can handle dado cuts up to 13/16 wide with the appropriate blade and throat plate. To check the details, please click the link in the description. Number 2. Ryobi RTS12 Jobsite Table Saw. This 10-inch jobsite table saw has a 15-amp motor that spins the blade at up to 5,000 RPM. You can rip boards up to 12 inches to the right and 8 inches to the left of the blade. Unlike many higher-priced table saws, there are no extending rails, although you could use a separate stand to support larger materials. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat the performance of this sturdy tool. The saw has a maximum cutting depth of 3 inches at a 90-degree angle. Number 3. Milwaukee Cordless M18 Fuel 1-Key Table Saw Kit. Most power saws are corded, and for good reason. But the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1-Key Table Saw Kit, which has all the oomph of a corded table saw, but runs on an M18 battery. The saw's brushless motor reaches speeds of up to 6,300 RPM, and the 8.25-inch blade cuts up to 2.5 inches deep at a 90-degree angle, or 1.75 inches deep at a 45-degree angle. The table provides a rip capacity of 24.5 inches to the right and 12 inches to the left. The bevel setting allows you to tilt the table up to 47 degrees to the left. To check the details, please click the link in the description. Number 4. Ridgid R4514 Pro Jobsite Table Saw. If you need a reliable and powerful table saw that's easy to wheel right where you need it, take a look at the Ridgid R5414 10-inch jobsite table saw. It includes soft start technology, which ramps the motor up gently when the power is switched on, helping to lower the noise and improve the accuracy of the tool. The 10-inch blade spins at a maximum of 5,000 RPM, with a maximum cutting depth of 3.5 inches at a 90-degree angle and 2.25 inches at a 45-degree angle. Number 5. DeWalt DWE7485 Compact Table Saw. The DeWalt DWE7485 might be a little more compact than many other table saws, but it certainly doesn't lack for power or performance. The 15-amp motor spins the 8.25-inch blade at up to 5,800 RPM, and the table boasts 24.5 inches of rip capacity to the right of the blade with the rack and pinion fence rails extended, and 12 inches of rip capacity to the left of the blade, which is more than some overall larger saws. It's ruggedly designed for use at job sites, but equally at home in your garage or workshop. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video.